The Fracture Toughness KIC interactive calculator helps engineers determine critical material properties and safety parameters for crack analysis in structural components. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate KIC fracture toughness, calculate critical crack length, calculate critical stress, calculate safe design stress, calculate KIC from test load, or estimate crack growth life. For this demo, I'm using Calculate KIC. Next, choose your specimen type, either compact tension CT or single edge notch bend SENB. I'll select compact tension. Now enter your applied stress in megapascals, crack length in millimeters, and the geometric factor Y, which defaults to 1.12. Here's a worked example. With applied stress of 10 megapascals, crack length of 10 millimeters, and geometric factor of 1.12, clicking Calculate gives us these results. The fracture toughness KIC is 1.99 megapascals root meter. The base stress intensity is 1.77 megapascals root meter. The geometric correction shows plus 12%. The crack size category identifies this as a large crack. The assessment indicates low toughness, classifying this as a brittle material. These values help engineers evaluate whether a component will fail under specified loading conditions. Find the link in the description below.